Women will give you a laundry list of things they want in a man. This video is for you to understand the parts of what women really want when they share the list, those things they leave out. If you can deliver on these 3 traits, you can move the conversation forward with any woman and, most importantly, get to the second date. Yo, see you in a second. Drew, let's get it. Every woman wants to know that you have vision. Vision is a quality that everyone doesn't possess. When you show that you have vision, you're showing that you're capable of visualizing an outcome, creating a strategy to get there, and predicting the future. It's not always necessary to have every step planned out, but having vision is important. Rarely will a woman say, well, I want a man with vision for himself, for me, and for the family. Do you know why she doesn't say that? Because it's more of a requirement than a request. When I go to the dealership to buy a car, I don't have to ask, does the car have a steering wheel? But it goes without saying that I want a car with a steering wheel. In this specific case, a GPS may be a better analogy because a man with a vision is a man with a GPS. He's working towards something. He has a North Star that he's following. Vision is not a want, it's a requirement. But I can tell it like it is. A lot of us don't have vision. We're floating through life like a dandelion. There can be many reasons for this. Trauma, lack of examples in our youth, fear. But whatever the reason, it's something you have to acknowledge and realize it's essential to your life and health as a man to do the work to heal and ultimately develop a vision for your life. What's the thing that you need to do that burns down inside of you? What do you need to become? What habits do you need to develop? This last question refers to the application of the vision, but don't get me wrong. You need all of it, the imagination, the planning, and the execution to deliver the vision you set for yourself and for her. Women want men with passion. Passion has several meanings, and women want men that have passion in every sense of the word. Women want men who passionately love them. Women also desire men who are passionately dedicated and devoted to their craft. If you want to see a woman who isn't happy in her relationship, talk to a woman whose man isn't passionate about anything. It's boring. Passion is like the air that inhabits a room. Men without passion will suck all of the air out of the space. A man who is existing with no passion is someone who should reassess his environment, his goals, and his life. It's rare that a woman will say she wants a man with passion, but gentlemen, don't be fooled. Passion is its own form of energy. Listen to someone passionate about a subject argue that point. Listen to guys passionate about their football team argue in support. How about them Cowboys? Passion is a driving factor of the universe. Passion makes us keep driving to ultimately inventing the light bulb, creating the cell phone, or developing artificial intelligence. Passion is why we're going back to the moon, and right after that, we're heading to Mars. Women want men that have a passionate energy for them to inhabit that same space and support his passion right alongside of him. Men, hear me clearly when I say women need men with character. So let me start with an unpopular opinion. A woman that loves you will follow however you lead. Women help you and support you in all that you do. In return, you must show up with character. Character is multifaceted. Character is how integrity, morality, and values all show up in your life. You can't have integrity in one area for the world to see, yet do all your dirt behind closed doors. There aren't levels to character. Either you have it or you don't. You bring character to the relationship. Women need men with character to show up. In turn, women look for men with character. I know guys that are frustrated with women who select guys that, for whatever reason, don't treat women well. She's supporting what she knows and, unfortunately, what she's been exposed to. Bring character to your relationship with your woman. She'll respect you more. She'll honor you more. Also, you'll bring the best out of her. Women want men with character, but they don't say it out loud because, going back to the car analogy, We don't ask if the car has a bent or rusted frame when we buy it. We expect the foundation of the car to be solid. She expects your character to be on point. Show her she can count on you. When we think about what women tolerate in men, and we see things like lack of vision, no passion, lack of character, we wonder what she could have been thinking in the first place to even tolerate this guy. The reality is, often by the time she realizes he lacks these qualities, she's deep into the relationship. It's hard to break off something that has deep roots and ties, even when you know there's something missing. That said, men have to realize these are the things she often leaves out. The parts that women leave out are often the most important parts in developing a relationship. Also, if you can communicate these 3 things in a subtle way on your first date, I guarantee you're getting to date number 2. Real talk, if you have character, passion, and vision, you're already winning, and she's going to know almost immediately that confidence is your superpower.